Hello everybody, this is going to be a video kind of going over something that Space Audits is talking about, Alan and that channel and their talks. This is a little bit in line with, actually I've been having a comment with discussion with somebody as well. So this will hopefully, I'm just curious about something for any globe advocates out there. So this here is Newtonian outlook of the solar system, and you have like the center of mass. The main point here I'm trying to emphasize is this would be like the center of mass of the solar system, and it might be a little bit off center from the sun. I don't know if it's still in the sun or not, but a little bit off center because you have the center of mass of not just the sun but also all of the planets and the volume that they, or the width that they span. So the center of mass will be shifted a little bit. So this might actually be able to explain like eclipses and elliptical orbits and whatnot. However, this model of Newtonian cosmology has been dismissed because of relativity. Relativity took the place of this idea. So relativity claims that the Earth orbits around the sun in linear constant due to space-time fabric being curved. So this explains why the Earth is sitting, why the Earth still is valid. Linear constant is indistinguishable from still. Go Bible. So basically you have the Earth is orbiting as the sun carves out its little nook in a gravity well. And so this would be like the sun's center of mass. And that's why I drew this down here. This line is to indicate that it's like in the center and that these are equal. It's an equal parabola or whatever you want to call gravity well on all sides. And then you have the Earth orbiting in this here, orbiting around the sun. Clearly to us it looks like a circle with angles, but relative Earth orbit path is claimed to be a straight line, and that is why when they talk about like a train moving or anything, like if you have something go by, constant and linear are the same as still from someone on an object. But the thing is, actually, there's something that is different, is that this would be like a knuckleball if the Earth was going through like this at a linear straight without rotation, but the Earth is spinning. So there is actually a spin along here. It's not just a knuckle. So this is actually, sure, linear constant is indistinguishable from still, but the Earth is not claimed to be a linear constant. So the conflict is if the sun is making a well that all planets follow, and the planets are making their own independent wells within, the sun will make an equidistant circular well, basically, that things orbit around. And so how does a circular equidistant dip in a fabric allow for the elliptical orbit? So essentially what I would ask is, like, anytime we're going to, because now, okay, so what I would ask for is a demonstration. So how do we demonstrate this? Well, if we take a ball and we put it in any fabric, it's going to equally pull on all sides around that ball. So, or around whatever we put in that fabric, it'll cause a depression, but it'll be equal all the way around. And so if you could show elliptical, that would be one thing, because how do you get out of the center of mass being here? And yeah, that I'm curious about how the Earth can go, like, if this is a linear motion and the Earth is orbiting, there's a direction where we're going with the linear motion this way as we turn this way. Like my thumb is going along the ball, but now on the other side, my middle finger here is turning against this motion. As my middle finger is going this way, my thumb is going this way. They're going, middle finger going this way, thumb going this way. So these are two different motions, and they're not measured. But then also, if this is linear motion, does the linear edge speed velocity of the object become more of a factor? As these are linear motions going one way while the other on the other side, antipodal goes the other way. So yeah, just a question for anyone out there is, how do you get away from, because this I think could explain ellipses and epicenters being off of center of mass. So I'm just curious about this down here. Anyway, thank you all for the time. And I think I'm actually going to throw a few channels down there. I don't necessarily agree with everything from all of them, but I just want to throw a lot of channels out there to help kind of get around censorship and spread people that I watch or have seen or anything like that. Just to help try to kind of get some of that out there for anybody. So yeah, I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for watching this. Let me know any feedback. Always welcome. Hope you all are doing absolutely excellent, no matter where you're at, day or night. Peace be with you all. All glory to our Creator. The Bible's true, y'all. Jesus and the Holy Spirit, they set the example for how to live and how to get us closer to our Creator, who loves us so much to make us. We're one out of infinite to have our odds of all of us being here. We're very loved, y'all. And the earth is still, and that's just as valid. As actually, anytime they give you an equation for a moving earth, you can ask them to show a still earth equation, and they have to explain the phenomenon with a still earth because they're mathematically valid. They're the same. They have to be mathematically equal, and math is where the globe goes to as opposed to demonstrations and such. Anyway, yeah, y'all. Peace be with you all.